Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to go ahead and do a updated garden tour. Me and my husband are home, so I figured I'd give you a view of how my garden's looking. I hope you're all staying safe and healthy out there, and I hope you enjoy this video. So here I am just looking at the table succulents, and these ones I recently cut. I say table succulents because they're on my garden table, my table here. So I'm just pulling a couple out to see if they have rooted, and this one has, so it's looking nice and new, healthy roots there, so I'm happy about that. Carefully putting back in, and looking at my crassula here now. I noticed some of my older crassula, a lot of them are blooming, so I grabbed a couple of new ones. They are putting out new growth though. So here we go around. Here I have my fiddle leaf fig, which is putting out new leaves, which I'm very excited about. I was worried about this one because it had about 4 or 5 leaves, and I didn't know if it was going to get new ones, but yeah, it's putting out new leaves, so it makes me very excited. Here I have some of my succulents and cacti. This one here that I just pointed to, one of my neighbors gave it to me, and yeah, that one's blooming there. Here's a nice view of my garden from that angle. I know the sun is reflecting there, so I will go around as well. Here are some of my succulents that I have on my shelf. Just give you kind of an overview of how my plants are doing here. Some of them are doing really well. Some of them I need to go in and clean up and get them all nice and pretty again. This one arrangement needs a lot of TLC. You can see they're looking pretty good. Some of them got some millies and aphids, so I had to spray them down. That one on the side there looked a little sad, so I need to pull that one out. Yeah, here are the plants that are here. And I'll go over to the ones on my shelf down here, and just kind of quick overview. Was kind of trying to go slow so that you guys can see how my plants are doing. A lot of them are looking good. Some of them I need to really pull out. This one's looking gorgeous. My Echeveria cream tea is looking really pretty, getting pretty big. Being that springtime is nearly here, I want to start pulling some leaves off, start propagating, start taking cuttings and rooting them to grow my collection, grow succulents that I want to have more of. And yeah, just looking at some Echeverias there. Here's my cactus that my grandma had gave me. It has some new growth that I'm really excited about. Here's an overview of my succulent hut that has all my plants. If you've been with me for a long time, you know how this has evolved and grown, and I'm really loving the way it's looking. I recently did this pot over, and I'm loving the way it looks. Hopefully that Fred Ives grows nice and big for me. And yeah, we're going up to my string of pearls and string of bananas that are getting really long, throwing up some new growth there. And my string of dolphins, which are new to my collection. They're doing really good outside here, blooming. It's another arrangement, or just succulents I have in this hanger. Super bums, crassula, different kinds of Echeverias. Here is the 3-tier planter that I potted up in a recent video. It's doing really good. Got some good watering. The rain's been pretty constant here. It is lovely day to day though. Yeah, just kind of going over, seeing how different planters are looking. My succulents have definitely grown a lot over the last few months. Got my crassula. This big planter I redid a while back, and it's looking really good. Some of them I had to add new plants to, just to fill in some places where plants weren't doing well. Yeah. Here is one of my plants taking the water off. I need to go around and take the water out of my Echeverias. It did rain pretty hard yesterday. Everything's looking pretty good. I'm really happy with the growth of my succulents. This jade, trailing jade, is looking pretty in purple. There's a bird cage I need to revamp. And this topsy-turvy arrangement I need to pull out and clean up and add succulents to fill in again. Everything's looking pretty good. And I want to do more arrangements to show you guys. And if there's anything you'd like to see, let me know so I can make videos on this. I know a lot of people like the birdcage video. I think I'm going to do another birdcage video. And just show you me making one and pulling stuff from my garden to go ahead and, you know, make everything look nice again. So I will be getting that underway. Since we are home, so we have the time. I am homeschooling my son right now for the time being. So yeah, I will be making more videos, and yeah, definitely want to answer any questions that you guys have, and kind of put out content that you want to see. So let me know what you want to see in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed this video of my garden, and I will see you all in the next video. Stay healthy and stay safe out there. Bye.